Want faster downloads, better connection, or fewer network errors on your PS5 or PS5 Pro? Changing your DNS settings can make a big difference, and it only takes a minute. Let's show you how. Hey gamers, welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. In this video, we will show you exactly how to change DNS settings on your PS5 and PS5 Pro, whether you are optimizing for speed, stability, or security. Let's dive right in. Method 1. Check your internet connection. Before you change your DNS settings, first ensure your internet connection is stable with sufficient bandwidth. You can run an internet connection test. To do that, navigate to PS5 settings, then select network, then select test internet connection. You can also connect another device to the same internet and go to speedtest.net to check for the internet speed. You can contact your service provider for help. For a more stable connection, try using a wired Ethernet connection instead of Wi-Fi. You can also restart your router if needed. Method 2. Change DNS settings. Now here is how you can change the DNS settings on your PS5. To do that, open PS5 settings, then select network, then select settings under network. Now select setup internet connection. Select your Wi-Fi network, then head to options and select advanced settings. Now scroll down to DNS settings, select it and set it to manual. Now set the primary DNS to 8.8.8.8 and secondary DNS to 8.8.4.4. Next select OK once done. You can also use Cloudflare DNS. For that, set the primary DNS to 1.1.1.1 and secondary DNS to 1.0.0.1. Now open the network page. Now select test internet connection. You can start test and check the connection speed. And that's how easy it is to change your DNS settings on the PS5 and PS5 Pro. This simple tweak can improve online gameplay, speed up downloads, and even help with PlayStation Store loading issues. If this helped, give it a like, subscribe to Silicophilic, and hit the bell so you never miss a smart console tip. Drop a comment with your preferred DNS settings or let us know if you noticed an improvement. We would love to hear for results. Thanks for watching, and we will catch you in the next video.